Hello guys, welcome back to the another video. In previous session you have learned about the differences between analog and digital signals. In this session you will know what is analog communication and let's give some introduction to the communication system. At first, what is analog communication? Analog communication is the transmission of information using continuous signal that varies in amplitude, frequency or phase. These three parameters are the parameters of analog communication. Now let's give some introduction to the communication system. What is communication? The main motto of communication is to transfer information from one place to the another place by using electrical signals. An information signal is transmitted from transmitter to the receiver. Communication is the process by which information is exchanged between individuals through a medium. The communication can also be defined as the transfer of information from one point in space and time to the another point. Now let's have an overlook of the communication system of the block diagram. The first one is source. In analog communication, we can transmit the signal in three ways. The first one is voice, and the second one is audio, and the third one is video. The frequency of voice is 300 Hz to 3.5 kHz, and the frequency of audio is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the frequency of video is 0 to 4.5 MHz. The first one is source. What is source? The system which generates the source of information in the form of text message, voice, audio, video, etc. is called source. The information is passed from source to the transmitter. Transmitter. The transmitter transfers the electrical signal to the channel. In transmitter, the modulation process takes place. And the next one is channel. Channel is basically a medium and it establishes an electrical connection between transmitter and receiver. The connection may be transmission line or coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, and waveguide, etc. The information is again passed through channel to receiver. In receiver, demodulation process takes place. It receives the signal at receiver. Demodulation process is done. It separates the carrier signal and message signal. And the last is destination. It is the final stage. It receives the original information which is passed from the source. And the next one is modulation. What is modulation? Modulation is a process that causes a shift in a range of frequency in a signal. The signal occupy the same range of frequencies can be separated. Modulation helps in noise immunity, attenuation depends on the physical medium. In simply we can say modulation it is the characteristic of the carrier signal is varied in accordance with the message signal is called modulation. Based on the communication system, the modulation process is divided into two types. The first one is baseband modulation and the second one is carrier modulation. The carrier modulation is again divided into two types. The first one is amplitude and the next one is angle modulation. The angle modulation is again subdivided into two types, that is frequency modulation and phase modulation. The modulation is operation performed at the transmitter to achieve efficient and reliable information transmission. And the next one is need of modulation. Any signal is to transmit directly without modulation having several limitations. To avoid these limitations, we require modulation techniques at transmitter side and demodulation technique at receiver side. We have it allows frequency translation. The modulation is used in frequency multiplexing. It reduces the height of antenna. It avoids mixing of signals. It used in narrow banding. It allows the multiplexing in signals. It even increases the range of communication. Here, the height of antenna is inversely proportional to the frequency. H is inversely proportional to frequency. And that's all for today. Please watch it, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.